guess what's back in stock? Yes, one of the books that I heavily use in all of my work when it comes to Ga is the Ga English Dictionary, which is officially back in stock. And I love this book for a number of reasons. Number one, not only does it give you the meaning of the word, but it also explains the different ways that it might be used. So for example, in this case of Na, it talks about how you might say entrance or opening, or the mouth of a pot, or she sealed the letter, it is blocked with that, and how that now word will be used in different ways. On top of that, there are some words that you might not know what they really are. So for example, otishinu, which is the liquid that is used, the water in which kenke has been boiled, used as a beverage. Most of you might not know what that means, but it also explains what exactly it is. On top of that, at the end of the book, we have an English Ga index. So maybe you have a word in English and you want to know what it is in Ga. This is also included within the dictionary. So if you're interested in purchasing, please DM me. I ship to the US, to Europe, UK. I ship everywhere. Just as long as you're willing to pay the postage. So yes, if you're interested in purchasing this, please DM me and we will get that out as soon as possible. So the Ga English Dictionary is now officially back in stock.